Hello friends, today let's talk about jealousy. What is jealousy? Jealousy is the most hardest emotion and experience which we go through in our lives. So how to deal with this jealousy? Before going into that, let's find out why we often feel jealousy. We often feel jealousy when we see or hear that someone is better than us, someone is more capable than us, or maybe someone is more genuine or real than us. Then we feel jealous about that person. If we analyze the emotion of jealousy, we can come out with the answer that there is a big amount of selfishness is deeply rooted with that jealousy emotions. Because if you think that you are the best in the society, then chances are very high that you feel jealousy when you see someone is doing better than you in the society. So how to deal with this negative emotion or how to control this jealousy? First of all, when we feel jealous, we need to accept that we are jealous about that person. Because most of the time, we hide these emotions. We try to give a different false excuse to cover up these emotions, which is very wrong. If we accept that I am jealous with that person, then we are able to find out the root cause of this jealousy emotion and try to go into that. Second, we need to understand that each and everybody are different. The person which are avails in this world, each and every people are different from each other. I just want to give you an example. There are 4 elements prevail in this world: the fire element, the earth element, the air element, and the water element. If I ask you that which is the better element among all these 4, what is going to be your answer? You may say that there is no certain best elements in this world because each and every element serve differently in this planet. Same for human also. All those human are different from each other. There is no same identical person prevails in this world. Even the identical twins are different from their emotions and the feelings. So we need to understand that every people are different and unique. Therefore we do not need to compare with the others. Instead of comparing with the others, we need to compare with ourselves. We need to compete with ourselves and try to bring out the best version of ourselves. Because when we compete with our own mind or ourselves, then there is no chance of feeling jealous with the others. And you always try to develop yourselves and always you try to come out with the better version of yourselves. So always try to challenge yourselves and bring the better version of yourself instead of compare with the others. The third point is that, which is most unique, that we need to develop the quality of sympathetic happiness or maybe appreciative happiness with the people. It is something that you need to feel very happy when you see the well-being, the development and the success of the other people in the society. And you feel very satisfied with that. How we going to generate or how we going to develop this quality? It is not so difficult. Whenever we wake up in the morning, just sit in the bed for a few moments, and before going into all those distractions, just pray that may all those human beings stay well, may all those beings are successful, may all those beings being developed with all those success. So if you really mean that, then you automatically develop this quality of sympathetic happiness. And when you go to the society and you see that someone is doing better than you, you automatically do not feel jealous, because the sympathetic happiness is developed within you and it automatically take control with your emotions. So train your mind to develop this quality, and also train your mind to see good about the people. When the other people are getting success, they are developed with these all those financial or maybe all those benefit they are getting, feel happy within yourself, because when you feel happy with the other people for their success, you also feel happy about yourself also. So instead of developing all those evil emotions of jealousy, try to develop sympathetic happiness to make your life better, peaceful and happy.